Hi guys. Gaming is an emotion for the 21st century. Gaming on PC, Xbox and many more. A range of smartphones have been introduced recently specialized for gaming. So today we are going to talk about the all-new Red Magic 3S. Before that, please make sure that you subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Nubia Red Magic 3S is here to take back the crown from all of the other gaming smartphone upstarts by stacking the specs at an attractive price tag. You, like me, might be thinking that Google Stadia, Project xCloud, and Nvidia's GeForce now might start to seriously encroach upon the gaming smartphone market over the coming years, but for now, they look as though they are here to stay. We'll likely see more console-quality games hit Android over the coming years, and because of that, there will be people that want to gain some sort of competitive edge, which often means they want a dedicated gaming device. If you were to hold the Red Magic 3 and 3S side by side, you'd be hard-pressed to tell the two smartphones apart. Like most test refreshes of every phone out there isn't much different on the outside, save a fresh lick of paint. The biggest, but still reasonably, minor changes come internally. The Nubia Red Magic 3S is still aggressively gamer just without the Mountain Dew logo emblazoned on it. With the Qualcomm Snapdragon 885 Plus chipset and 8GB of RAM under the hood along with 128GB of UFS 3.0 storage. My biggest outright issue with the Red Magic 3S is that it still ships with Android 10. The Chinese firm isn't always transparent about OS upgrades either, they just seem to appear out of the blue. My review unit also is still running the August 2019 security patch.